Good evening, everyone. My name is Letitia. This is my week 4 discussion post, and I will be covering WBS and change management. WBS stands for Work Breakdown Structure and is a tool that decomposes a project into smaller workable parts that can be easily managed. Because of this decomposition, change can come at various stages while tasks are being performed. Changes can come from stakeholders, project team, the project manager, and even the customer. And with the WBS, change is pretty much better discovered at the lower levels of the WBS so that way it can be implemented and adjusted early enough so that way as the project progresses, less changes are noticed or needed. When a change is discovered that goes along with the project management plan and or scope, then a formal request is submitted and the change process um, overviews the change request form so that way it's properly vetted and stays in line with the initial goal of the project. When a WBS does need to be updated, different things within the WBS may need to shift so that way everything stays in line with the scope and project management plan. If it is significant enough change, the scope may need to be updated and the project management plan needs to be updated as well. Some of the major elements of our group project with our WBS consist of the overall project itself, and that is to open a soda shop globally. The major elements in order to achieve that goal is planning, facilities, marketing, operations, and food. To break down food a bit, we would want to proper suppliers, the process design, how the food will be prepared, what types of food will we offer, as well as the product design. What in essence will we need in order to achieve the process design so that way we can produce the food that we're going to sell. Another aspect of our major element would be the facility. With the facility, we will definitely need the electrical, gas, water. We need to make sure that we have these different things in place so that way the facility is operational. We would also implement a billing system so that way it goes in line with the oldest thing yet is up to date in order to send information over to the home office globally. And these are just some of the major elements within our group project. But and one more thing before I let you go is the overall importance of a WBS. A WBS is important and should be implemented on any size project because it helps to facilitate everything in a smooth pattern and nothing is forgotten or slipped through the cracks. What it does is take a humongous, at first, project and breaks it down into a understandable, comprehensive, workable project, piece by piece. And when it's all put together or integrated together, then we have the final project that no doubt the customer will be happy with. Thank you for your time. Have a good evening.